In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood lift support on your Toyota Camry. It's located under the hood. First thing you're going to do is make sure that your hood is supported by something. I'm using my pry bar and a little tape to hold it there. And then you're going to use a pick and push this up and out. And as you do so, it will release and you can pull it apart. If it's been on there its entire life, it may take a little persuasion. Might need a pry bar. To remove it, make sure your temporary hood prop is working properly. And then you're going to take this bottom piece and do the same. You're going to pick up this little spring clip and remove it. Line it up and push it on. Make sure it's locked in there. And then you're going to line up the top. You may have to push open the hood a little bit to have it line up properly. You can twist it if needed. And you're going to push that on as well. Make sure it's on there good and locked in. Now we're going to remove our prop. Make sure it functions properly. And now you're going to go up and down, or down and up, and make sure the hood prop is working properly. Looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.